Alright, what is happening, tech fans, and welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse. The news cycle never sleeps, and neither do we, bringing you the absolute latest, the most crucial, the must-know updates that are shaping our world right now. We've got a packed show today, so buckle up, because you are not going to want to miss a single second of this. Get ready for some game-changing insights that will have you buzzing. Let's dive in. The big picture. Qualcomm is making some serious moves, charting a course for leadership in the rapidly evolving tech landscape of 2025. We're talking about a bold vision that puts AI and 5G right at the forefront. This isn't just about staying competitive, it's about defining the future, and Qualcomm is laying down a serious marker. What does this mean for the industry, and more importantly, for you? Smart connections. Next up, get ready for innovation that connects the physical and digital worlds like never before. Qualcomm has just unleashed a groundbreaking IoT processor, and this one comes with a game-changing feature: integrated RFID. We're talking about a leap forward in how devices communicate and interact with their environment, powered by a name you trust. This could revolutionize inventory, tracking, and so much more. Market movement. Now, let's talk about the pulse of the market. We're seeing some fascinating technical signals for Qualcomm, with key indicators suddenly flashing green. After some recent fluctuations, the charts are starting to tell a compelling story of potential momentum shifts. Are these the signs of a significant upswing? We break down what the numbers are saying. Future forward. And finally, we're looking at Qualcomm's impressive roadmap, with a significant boost coming from growth in both the automotive and IoT sectors. This isn't just about current performance, it's about strategic positioning for sustained success. What does this dual growth engine mean for Qualcomm's long-term trajectory and its impact on the technologies we use every day? Don't go anywhere. Stay locked in and make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. We've got all the details coming up, right here on Qualcomm Pulse. Qualcomm's bold 2025 vision. This is about Qualcomm's strategic positioning for the future of technology. Qualcomm is articulating a clear and ambitious vision for its role in the tech landscape of 2025, with a strong emphasis on leadership in artificial intelligence and 5G. This strategic outlook isn't just about maintaining relevance, it's about proactively shaping the direction of key technological advancements. The company is signaling its intent to be a dominant force, not just a participant, in the next wave of innovation. This involves significant investment in research and development, fostering strategic partnerships, and focusing on core competencies that will drive future growth. Qualcomm's leadership appears determined to leverage its existing strengths in mobile technology and expand its influence into emerging areas like AI-driven solutions and advanced connectivity, ensuring it remains at the cutting edge. The company's forward-looking strategy likely encompasses plans to enhance its chipsets for AI workloads, develop more robust 5G infrastructure, and integrate these technologies seamlessly into a wide range of products and services. This proactive approach is designed to capitalize on the accelerating digital transformation across various industries, from consumer electronics to enterprise solutions and beyond. By setting such a clear vision, Qualcomm aims to provide a roadmap for its stakeholders, including investors, partners, and customers, outlining its commitment to innovation and its anticipated impact on the global technology ecosystem. The focus on AI suggests a deep understanding of the transformative power of intelligent systems, while the continued emphasis on 5G highlights the foundational role of advanced connectivity in enabling these future technologies. This dual focus positions Qualcomm to capture significant market share and influence the development of next-generation digital experiences. The company's success in executing this vision will be crucial for its sustained growth and market leadership in the coming years, as it navigates an increasingly competitive and rapidly evolving technological environment. Qualcomm's commitment to innovation and its strategic foresight are key factors that will determine its trajectory in the dynamic 2025 tech landscape. This strategic direction is generating significant interest, with analysts highlighting Qualcomm's potential to lead in AI and 5G. But what if the future is already here, quietly powering our everyday devices? Get ready for a tech leap that integrates the digital and physical worlds like never before. Qualcomm's RFID integrated IoT processor. This is a major breakthrough for the Internet of Things. Qualcomm has officially launched its new Dragonwing Q-6690 processor, a development that marks a significant milestone in the evolution of Internet of Things, IoT technology. The company is boldly claiming this as the world's first enterprise-grade mobile processor to feature fully integrated ultra-high frequency, UHF, radio frequency identification, RFID functionality. This integration means that devices equipped with the Q6690 will possess the capability to read and interact with RFID tags directly, without the need for external RFID readers or separate components. This is a substantial advancement, as it promises to streamline the design, reduce the cost, and improve the efficiency of IoT deployments across a multitude of sectors. The implications are vast, ranging from enhanced inventory management in retail and logistics to more sophisticated asset tracking in manufacturing and healthcare, and even enabling new forms of smart infrastructure and consumer experiences. The collaboration with major players like Decathlon further underscores the real-world applicability and market readiness of this new processor. Decathlon, a global leader in sporting goods, is expected to leverage this technology to optimize its supply chain and enhance the in-store customer experience, potentially by enabling faster checkouts or providing detailed product information through simple scanning. The Dragonwing Q6690 is designed with enterprise-grade robustness and performance in mind, ensuring reliability in demanding environments. Its integrated RFID capabilities are not just an add-on, they are a core feature that allows for seamless data capture and communication, making devices smarter and more interconnected. This move by Qualcomm could set a new standard for IoT processors, encouraging competitors to follow suit and driving further innovation in the field. The ability to embed RFID functionality directly into mobile processors opens up new possibilities for device manufacturers, allowing for more compact, power-efficient, and cost-effective solutions. As the IoT ecosystem continues to expand, the demand for such integrated and intelligent components will only grow, positioning Qualcomm at the forefront of this critical technological wave. The company's foresight in developing this integrated solution addresses a key need for greater efficiency and data visibility in the increasingly connected world. This technological leap is already garnering attention for its potential to transform supply chains and retail experiences. But what happens when the market itself starts sending out signals of change? We're analyzing the technical indicators that could point to Qualcomm's next big move. Qualcomm's bullish technical indicators. 3 key signals are pointing towards a positive shift for Qualcomm's stock. Qualcomm Inc. QCOM is showing signs of a potential upward trend, with its stock price recently closing just under $160 and continuing a rebound that has added over 10% since early August. This rally follows a period of volatility, including a sharp sell-off after its earnings report, which briefly pushed shares below their June and July lows. Despite this dip, the broader uptrend that began in April appears to be holding firm. For investors watching the stock, the critical next step is for Qualcomm to break through the $165 level, a price ceiling that has repeatedly capped its gains throughout the summer. Each failure to surpass this resistance has only solidified its psychological importance for both bulls and bears. However, the recent emergence of 3 key technical indicators turning bullish provides a significant tailwind for the stock, suggesting that momentum may be shifting back in favor of buyers. The first indicator is the Relative Strength Index, RSI, a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and magnitude of price movements. Qualcomm's RSI has crossed above the 50 line, climbing from a low of around 35 earlier in the month. This move above the midpoint indicates that upward momentum is strengthening, and buyers are regaining control after the post-earnings slump. Crucially, the RSI is currently in the mid-50s, leaving ample room for growth before reaching overbought territory, a balance that bullish traders find attractive. The second indicator is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, which tracks the relationship between two exponential moving averages of a stock's price. Qualcomm's MACD has recently flashed a bullish crossover, where the MACD line moves above its signal line, a classic sign of increasing positive momentum. This crossover has remained intact, suggesting that despite some choppy trading, the underlying trend is favoring buyers, and bears who were active after earnings may be capitulating. The third key indicator relates to volume trends. Recent trading data shows a pattern where days with price increases, green days, are accompanied by higher-than-average volume, while days with price decreases, red days, exhibit lighter activity. This imbalance suggests strong conviction from buyers when the stock moves up and less selling pressure when it pulls back. This dynamic is a positive sign, as rising prices on increasing volume often precede sustained upward moves. If Qualcomm can maintain this favorable volume trend while consolidating below the $165 resistance, it strengthens the case for a potential breakout. These bullish signals are creating optimism, but the $165 resistance level remains the key hurdle to watch. But what about the broader narrative driving these technological shifts? We're exploring how AI and energy infrastructure are intertwined, and one company is positioned to benefit immensely. AI's energy demand and Qualcomm's role. As AI rapidly advances, the demand for energy is soaring, creating a critical infrastructure challenge and opportunity. The exponential growth of artificial intelligence is presenting the world with an unprecedented energy challenge. From powering massive data centers that train sophisticated AI models like ChatGPT to enabling countless AI-driven applications, the consumption of electricity is skyrocketing. Industry leaders and prominent figures like Sam Altman of OpenAI and Elon Musk have issued stark warnings about the potential for an energy crisis, with Musk even suggesting AI could run out of electricity by next year. This escalating demand is straining existing power grids, driving up electricity prices, and forcing utilities to urgently expand capacity. However, within this challenge lies a significant investment opportunity. While many investors are focused on chip makers and cloud providers, a more fundamental play is emerging in the energy infrastructure sector. One company, though often overlooked, is strategically positioned to capitalize on this AI-driven energy boom. This entity is not directly involved in AI development, but plays a crucial role in the energy supply chain. It operates critical energy infrastructure assets, effectively acting as a toll booth operator for the energy needed to power the AI revolution. Furthermore, this company stands to benefit from reshoring trends, as proposed tariffs encourage American manufacturers to bring operations back home, requiring significant energy infrastructure development and retrofitting. This company's unique position ties together AI, energy, tariffs, and onshoring, making it a compelling, albeit unconventional, investment. Unlike many energy and utility firms burdened by debt and high interest payments, this company is debt-free and holds a substantial amount of cash, equivalent to nearly a third of its market capitalization. It also possesses a significant equity stake in another high-growth AI-related company, offering investors indirect exposure to multiple AI growth engines without the premium valuations often associated with direct AI plays. The company's financial health and strategic holdings have not gone unnoticed by sophisticated investors. Some secretive hedge fund managers are reportedly pitching this stock at exclusive investment summits, highlighting its extreme undervaluation. Trading at less than 7 times earnings, excluding cash and investments, it offers a rare combination of stability, growth potential, and low valuation within the AI and energy sectors. This is not a speculative bet on hype. It's an investment in a business with tangible cash flows, essential infrastructure ownership, and strategic stakes in key growth areas. The company is described as a builder with the experience, scale, and execution capabilities needed for the massive infrastructure demands of the AI era. By investing in this company, individuals can gain exposure to the fundamental energy needs of artificial intelligence, a sector poised for significant expansion. This company's unique position at the intersection of AI energy demand and infrastructure development is drawing attention from savvy investors seeking undervalued opportunities. But what if the real story isn't just about the massive energy demand, but about the underlying health of the companies powering it? We're diving into the technical indicators that could signal a turning point for Qualcomm. That's all the time we have for today on Qualcomm Pulse. We covered Qualcomm's bold 2025 vision for AI and 5G leadership, the groundbreaking RFID-integrated IoT processor from Qualcomm, the bullish technical indicators flashing for Qualcomm's stock, and the critical role of energy infrastructure in the AI boom. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all our social channels for more insights. We'll see you next time.